Hello guys, again welcome to Manu's All-Rounder channel. So in this Animal Kingdom chapter యొక్క ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ MCQs అనేటివి తయారు చేశాను. సో మాక్ టెస్ట్ 1 అనమాట. సో ఇందులో టోటల్ 40 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేటివి ఉన్నాయి. సో టెస్ట్ అనేది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఇవ్వండి అండ్ టైమర్ 10 సెకండ్స్ కూడా పెట్టాను. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ ద వీడియో ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ఇట్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ సో దట్ దే కెన్ ఆల్సో ప్రాక్టీస్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. అండ్ నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి సో దట్ నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఏ వీడియోస్ పెట్టినా మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయగలుగుతారనమాట, లైక్ నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్స్ ఫర్ నీట్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్. సో డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద వీడియో. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ యానిమల్స్ డస్ నాట్ అండర్గో మెటామార్ఫోసిస్? ఏ అర్త్వార్మ్, బి ట్యూనికేట్, సి moth, డి starfish.
1,
So for this the answer is A, earthworm. Next question, identify the vertebrate group of animals characterized by crop and gizzard in its digestive system. So crop and gizzard వేటిలో ఉంటుంది? A, amphibia, B, reptilia, C, aves, D, osteichthyes. So correct answer for this is option C, aves. Next question, which one of these animals is not a homeotherm? A, macropus, B, chelone, C, camelus, D, psittacula. So correct answer for this is option B, chelone. Next question, important characteristic that hemichordates share with chordates is A, ventral tubular nerve cord, B, pharynx with gill slits, C, pharynx without gill slits, D, absence of notochord. So for this the correct answer is option B, pharynx with gill slits. Next question, which among these is the correct combination of aquatic mammals? A, dolphins, seals, trigon, B, whales, dolphins, seals, C, trigon, whales, seals, D, seals, dolphins, sharks. So among these three, one option is correct for aquatic mammals. So the correct answer for this is option B, whales, dolphins and seals. Which of the following represents order of horse? A, Perissodactyla, B, Caballus, C, Ferus, D, Equidae. So the correct answer for this is option A, Perissodactyla. Seventh question, in case of poriferans, the sponger seal is lined with flagellated cells called A, oscula, B, choanocytes, C, mesenchymal cells, D, ostia. So the correct answer for this is choanocytes. Next question, choose the correct statement. All mammals are viviparous. All cyclostomes do not possess jaws and paid fins. All reptiles have a 3-chambered heart. D, all pisces have gills covered by an operculum. So the correct answer for this is option B, all cyclostomes do not possess jaws and paid fins. Which one of the following characteristics is not shared by birds and mammals? A, viviparity, B, warm-blooded nature, C, ossified endoskeleton, D, breathing using lungs. So the correct answer for this is option B, warm blooded nature. Next question, choose the correct statement. All mammals are viviparous. All cyclostomes do not possess jaws and paid fins. Which one of the following characteristics is not shared by birds and mammals? A, viviparity, B, warm blooded nature, C, ossified endoskeleton, D, breathing using lungs. So the correct answer for this is option A, viviparity. Next question. Which of the following characteristic features always holds true for the corresponding group of animals? A. Possess a mouth with an upper and lower jaw, chordata. B. Three-chambered heart with one incompletely divided ventricle, reptilia. C. Cartilaginous endoskeleton, chondrichthyes. D. Viviparous mammalia. Should match this and tell which is the correct and true. Okay. So the correct answer for this is option C. Cartilaginous endoskeleton is chondrichthyes. Next question. Which of the following features is not present in the phylum Orthopoda? A. Parapodia. B. Jointed appendages. C. Chitinous exoskeleton. D. Metameric segmentation. So the correct answer for this is option A. Parapodia. Next question. Body having meshwork of cells, internal cavities lined with food filtering flagellated cells, and indirect development are the characteristics of phylum. A. Mollusca. B. Protozoa. C. Coelenterata. D. Porifera. So correct answer for this is option D. Porifera. Next question. Metagenesis refers to A. Occurrence of drastic change in form during post-embryonic development. B. Presence of a segmented body and parthenogenetic mode of reproduction. C. Presence of different morphic forms. D. Alternation of generation between asexual and sexual phase of an organism. So the correct answer for this is D. Alternation of generation between asexual and sexual phase of an organism. A jawless fish which lays eggs in fresh water and whose amnocetus larvae after metamorphosis return to the ocean is A. Neomyxin. B. Petromyxon. C. Iptetritus. D. Myxin. The correct answer for this is option B. Petromyxon. Next question. Which of the following endoparasites of human does show viviparity? A. Trichinella spiralis. B. Ascaris lumbricoides. C. Encyclostoma duodenala. D. Enterobinus vermicularis. The correct answer for this is option A. Trichinella spiralis. Which of the following represents the correct combination without any exception? A. Sucking and circular mouth, jaws absent, integument without scales, paid appendages, class Cyclostoma. So body covered with feathers, skin moist and glandular, forelimbs from wings, lungs with air sacs is aves. Mammary gland, air on body, pinnate, 2 pairs of limbs is mammalia. Mouth, ventral gills without operculum, skin with placoid scales, persistent notochord is chondrichthyes. So from these 4 options, I am giving the extra option also for this. So that is E. None of this. Okay, you note this option extra, option E, none of this. So here in these 4 options, none of the above 4 options is correct. So I have given the option E extra. So none of these is correct. Okay. So option E is the answer for this. Next question. Which of the following animals is not viviparous? A. Platypus, B. Whale, C. Flying fox, bat, D. Elephant. So the correct answer for this is option A, platypus. Next question, which of the following characteristics is mainly responsible for diversification of insects on land? A. Exoskeleton, B. Eyes, C. Segmentation, D. Bilateral symmetry. So the correct answer for this is option A, exoskeleton. Next question. Select the taxon mentioned that represents both marine and freshwater species. A. Echinoderms, B. Ctenophora, C. Cephalochordata, D. Cnidaria. So the correct answer for this is option D, Cnidaria. Next question. Which one of the following living organisms completely lacks a cell wall? A. Cyanobacteria, B. Sea fan Gorgonia, C. Saccharomyces, D. Blue-green algae. So the correct answer for this is option B, Sea fan Gorgonia. Next question. Planaria possesses high capacity of A. Metamorphosis, B. Regeneration, C. Alteration of generation, D. Bioluminescence. So correct answer for this is option B, regeneration. Next question. A marine cartilaginous fish that can produce electric current is, so A. Pristis, B. Torpedo, C. Trigon, D. Scoliodon. So correct answer for this is option B, torpedo. Next question. Which of the following are correctly matched with respect to their taxonomic classification? A. Housefly, butterfly, CC fly, silverfish, insecta. B. Spiny anteater, sea urchin, sea cucumber is echinodermata. C. Flying fish, cuttlefish, silverfish belongs to Pisces. D. Centipede, millipede, spider, scorpion belongs to insecta. Which one is correctly matched? So correct answer for this is option A. Housefly, butterfly, CC fly, silverfish belongs to insecta. 24. Which group of animals belong to the same phylum? A. Prawn, scorpion, locusta. B. Sponge, C. Anemone, starfish. C. Malarial parasite, amoeba, mosquito. D. Earthworm, pinworm, tapeworm. So correct answer for this is option A. Prawn, scorpion, locusta. 25. Match the name of the animal, column 1, with one characteristic, column 2, and the phylum, class, column 3, to which it belongs. Options. So column 1 he is giving the name, column 2 its characteristics, and column 3 he is given the phylum or class. So A. Limulus, body covered by chitinous exoskeleton. 3. Column 3 species. B. Adamsia, radially symmetrical, porifera. C. Petromyxon, ectoparasite, cyclostoma. D. Ichthyophis, terrestrial reptilia. Okay. So correct answer for this is Pectromaxon, ectoparasite and cyclostoma. Next, one of the representatives of phylum Arthropoda is A. Pufferfish, B. Flying fish, C. Cuttlefish, D. Silverfish. Correct answer for this is option D. Silverfish. Next question. The characteristics of class Reptilia are options A. Body covered with moist skin which is devoid of scales. The ear is represented by a tympanum, alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common cloaca. B. Freshwater animals with bony endoskeleton, air bladder to regulate buoyancy. C. Marine animals with cartilaginous endoskeleton, body covered with placoid scales. D. Body covered with dry and conified skin. Scales over the body are epidermal, they do not have external ears. The correct answer for this is option D. Body covered with dry and conified skin. Scales over the body are epidermal. That one, okay? Which one of the following groups of animals reproduce only by sexual means? Cnidaria, Porifera, Protozoa, and Ctenophora. The correct answer for this is option D. Ctenophora. Next question. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its one characteristic and the taxon? So, animal characteristics and taxon is given. A. Millipede, ventral nerve cord, arachnida. B. Sea anemone, triploblastic, cnidaria. C. Silverfish, pectoral and pelvic fins, chordata. D. Duck-billed platypus, oviparous mammalia. So the correct answer for this is option D. Duck-billed platypus, oviparous mammalia. Next question. Sharks and dogfishes differ from skates and rays because of A. Gill slits are ventrally placed. B. Head and trunk are widened considerably. C. Distinct demarcation between body and tail. D. Their pectoral fins distinctly marked off from cylindrical bodies. So correct answer for this is option D. Their pectoral fins distinctly marked off from cylindrical bodies. Next question. Which one of the following is one of the paths followed by air or O2 during respiration in the adult male Periplaneta americana as it enters the animal body? So the Periplaneta americana is a cockroach. A. Spirakle in metathorax, trachea, tracheoles, oxygen diffuses into cells. Mouth, bronchial tube, trachea, oxygen enters into cells. C. Spiracles in prothorax, tracheoles, trachea, oxygen diffuses into cells. D. Hypopharynx, mouth, pharynx, trachea tissues. The correct answer for this is option A. Spirakle in metathorax, trachea, tracheoles, oxygen diffuses into cells. Next question. Perithema and its close relatives derive nourishment from A. Sugarcane roots, B. Decaying fallen leaves and soil organic matter, C. Soil insects, D. Small pieces of fresh fallen leaves of maize, etc. So the correct answer for this is option B, decaying fallen leaves and soil organic matter. 33. In which one of the following the genus name, its two characters and its phylum are not correctly matched, whereas the remaining three are correct? A. Pila, 1. Body segmented mollusca, 2. Mouth with radula. B. Asterias. So first one is spiny skinned echinodermata, second water-vascular system. C. Cycon, first pore-bearing porifera, 2. Canal system. D. Periplaneta, first joint appendages arthropoda, 2. Chitinous exoskeleton. So the correct answer for this is option A, Pila. Next question, which one of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the features stated against them? So A. Theropus and Ornithorhynchus, viviparity. B. Garden lizard and crocodile, three-chambered heart. C. Ascaris and encyclostoma, metameric segmentation. D. Seahorse and flying fish, cold-blooded poikilotherm. So the correct answer for this is option D, seahorse and flying fish. Next question, which one of the following categories of animals is correctly described with no single exception in it? A. All reptiles possess scales, have a three-chambered heart and are cold-blooded, poikilothermal. B. All bony fishes have 4 pairs of gills and operculum on each side. C. All sponges are marine and have colored cells. D. All mammals are viviparous and possess diaphragm for breathing. The correct answer for this is option B. All bony fishes have 4 pairs of gills and operculum on each side. 36. What will you look for to identify the sex of the following? A. Female ascaris, sharply curved posterior end. B. Male frog, a copulatory pad on the first digit of the thin limb. C. Female cockroach, anal cerci. D. Male shark, claspers borne on pelvic fins. So correct answer for this is option D, male shark, claspers borne on pelvic fins. 37. Which one of the following groups of animals is correctly matched with its characteristic feature without any exception? A. Reptilia, possess 3-chambered heart with an incompletely divided ventricle. B. Chordata, possess a mouth with an upper and lower jaw. C. Chondrichthyes, possess cartilaginous endoskeleton. D. Mammalia, give birth to young ones. So the correct answer for this is option C. Chondrichthyes possess cartilaginous endoskeleton. Next question, in which one of the following the genus name, its two characters and its class or phylum are correctly matched? So A. Ascaris, 1. Body segmented, 2. Males and females distinct. Class is Annelida. B. Salamandra, 1. A. Tymphanum represents ear, 2. Fertilization is external. Amphibia. Option C. Theropus, 1. Skin possesses hair, 2. Oviparous, belongs to Mammalia. D. Aurelia, 1. Nidoblast, 2. Organ level of organization, belongs to Coelenterata. And one more option here I am giving you, that is option E, none of this. Okay, none of this. So here the answer is none of this. Okay, option E. Next question, Which one of the following statements is totally wrong about the occurrence of notochord while the other three are correct? A. It is present only in larval tail in Ascidian. B. It is replaced by vertebral column in adult frog. C. It is absent throughout life in humans from the very beginning. D. It is present throughout life in Amphioxus. So 39 option is correct answer is option C. Next question. The last question. Consider the following 4 statements A to D related to the common frog Ranategrina and select the correct option stating which ones are true and which ones are false. Statements. A. On dry land it would die due to lack of oxygen, of its mouth is forcibly kept closed for a few days. B. It has 4-chambered heart. C. On dry land it turns uricotelic from ureotelic. D. Its life history is carried out in pond water. So options for statements A, B, C, D. Option A is true, false, false, true. Option B is true, true, false, false. Option C is false, false, true, true. Option D is false, true, true, false. And here another option. Option E is none of the above. Okay. Option E is none of the above. So here the 4 options are not correct. So which one I have gave is the correct answer for this? So option E is the correct answer, none of this. Okay. So today in this section 16th question, 38 question and 40 questions I have given the extra options because in previous year questions they have given the wrong options, none of the above matches. So for you to get the correct answer I have given the extra option. Okay. So if you like the video and enjoyed with solving these questions, so please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of the whatever videos I am preparing. So guys, I am telling you that I will be preparing continuously all chapters mock tests, 2 mock tests of each chapter. So please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.